Hi, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Issa here. Today we're going to read the story 10 Pets, written by Susan Hartlett, illustrated by Signe Norden. We're going to work on word families N and Et in the story. P, E, N, pen. H, E, N, hen. D, E, N, den. M, E, N, men. T, E, N, ten. Et family. P, et, pet. G, et, get. M, et, met. Ned met Dan. Dan had a pet hen. I put a little N next to Ned and a D next to Dan. We've been circling sight words and underlining the word families. Don't forget to do that with your book, okay? Can I get a pet? Said Ned. Can you get me a pet? Dan gets a net. He cannot get a pet for Ned. Looks like he's trying to get some butterflies. Dan and Ned see a bear. Look at the bear. I put a star next to it. The bear is by its den. Can you get me this pet? Said Ned. He wants a bear as a pet. The men see Dan and Ned. Can you get me this pet? The men said. Ned and Dan see a pen. I cannot get this pet for you, said Dan. Dan sees a pan. A bird is on the pan. See the bird? 10 birds are at the pan and on Ned. Ned has 10 pets. Great reading, boys and girls.